Hello again, everybody. It's Scott Hudgins with Dodd RV, located in Yorktown, Virginia. Family owned and operated since 1956. Today, we're looking at a brand new 2022 Grand Design Solitude S-Class 3950BH. Bunkhouse, king bed up front, washer dryer prep, 2 full baths. Let's get started, take a look. Guys, remember, watch all the way to the end of the video. I'll show you a clip with the slides in so you can see what you do and don't have access to. Check down in the description. I'll have all your specs, holding tank sizes, measurements. Thanks again for watching. Scott Hudgins, RV. All right, stand at the entry door coming in. You got your kitchen, your posing slides with your islands, door to the bunks, hallway up front. That's where we're going to start. Right up front, you got king size bed on a slide. You got windows on either side that do open. Get good cross breeze. You got little tables, blackout roller shades, well lit, shocks to hold the bed up, and you got plenty of storage. You got charging area, receptacle, charging receptacle, overhead storage, nice hanging area. You got drawers down low. Nice thing with the door here, it slides either direction. You got hanging, you got shelves. This is also where your washer dryer would go. So you can slide this door either direction. You got storage on this end, again with overhead. TV's already here. Nice deep drawers. Got an AC, which is ducted in the bedroom. Got its own thermostat. Heat ducts. A solid door. They give you a little magnet up top to keep the door open. That's a big problem with the door in the way. If you're not level, it's just swinging around. So your door sticks and is good. You got a pocket door going into the bathroom, so that's not in your way either. So no congestion here in the hallway. Nice deep sink. Medicine cabinet. Nice storage. A good spot for a trash can. Plenty of room around the foot flush toilet. Nice large shower, which does step down. Again, I'm 6'5". I'm eye level with the shower. I'm nowhere near the skylight, so tons of room on your headroom in the shower. Nice deep storage. You got a heat duct, exhaust fan, AC. So a nice bathroom setup. Assist handle here. Textured steps, so you don't have to worry about slipping. Little cubby hole down low for your shoes. You got the touch panel here in the hallway, and you also have your convenience area here. So you can control your slides individually, your lights, check your holding tanks, your awnings. You got lights down low. We are pretty bright outside today, but we've got lots of nice lighting. Max Air fan does have the rain sensor. Controls are here. Storage area, charging area, pantry, storage down low. Your heat ducts are in the island, so no heat ducts in the floor. No carpet, so flush flooring on both sides. Gas, electric, refrigerator, freezer. Again, nice spot for a trash can, good storage. Large oven with a good pots and pans drawer. 3-burner range with the flush cover. Little subway tile here and over there. You've got the convection microwave oven, overhead storage. TV is on a swivel arm, so it does come out, give you a little better angle if you're sitting at the dinette. Rockford Fosgate stereo system. Fireplace does put out heat as electric. Got little storage there. Receptacles, lighting, LED lights under the island. Extended spray head. Got a little divider in the sink, so that's nice, but large stainless steel sink. Mentioned the seating. You got your theater seats directly across from the TV. Cup holders, storage, receptacles. You got receptacles down low under the dinette. You got 4 chairs. All of those have storage underneath them. This is a good way for them to travel. I mentioned the roller shades, but all these windows do open. Highlight of the floor plan. You got your bunk area, sofa, bunk above, bunk up high. Plenty of area down here for TV. Storage area with hanging. It's got their own AC, so you got 3 ducted ACs. Window that opens, all with shades. This bunk is up out of the way, but you can lower that down. Sofa opens up and makes into a bed. We'll take a look at that. All right, there's the Trifold sleeper sofa opened up. You still got plenty of room to get by. There's still room for the ladder that you do get. That gets you up to the top bunk. Very easy setup here, and you got storage underneath. You can put those cushions, pillows, linens, anything like that down there. Putting it back up, you just got 2 legs. Fold in. And then you put your cushions back utilizing that Velcro. You got receptacle. And then, very unique, you've got a second full bathroom. Toilet, sink, shower. Again, no issues with headroom. Got decent sized sink, medicine cabinet. Again, spot for a trash can. And then they've got their own door going outside. So, very nice setup here with the door outside. Your brand new 2022 Grand Design Solitude S-Class 3950BH. Hey guys, before we head outside, just remember, if you're coming to the lot, you want to see this camper or any others in person, make sure you ask for Scott. All right, moving to the outside, you see the nice S-Class logo on the front with your LED docking lights. Rhino box. Storage area up front for your batteries. You got space here if you wanted to add a generator. This camper just came in, so it hasn't even been cleaned yet. 3950 has a dry weight of 13,804 pounds. You got 130-pound LP bottle on both sides. Your side opening compartment doors here give you nice easy access to your wide open storage. Nice and clean. Got your heat duct, light, outside shower, water hookup, black tank flush, low point drains, pull valves for your black and gray tank, and you can feed everything right through the bottom. Nice little tray here, so if there is any water or moisture, it's not leaking into the camper. Cable, satellite hookup, and receptacle. You've got LED lights underneath your slide out, so you can watch your head. Nice feature here, you've got the backside of your hot water heater and furnace that does put heat out. So this door doesn't rest on there and melt the door. Got a nice little bumper here. Keeps the door away from the heat. So nice little feature there. We're looking at a 50 amp service. We did equip this with slide toppers over your slide outs. You've got your auto leveling controls that we didn't talk about in here, but your controls for your auto leveling are here. Moving down the side, you got back side of your refrigerator, exhaust for your range. Another black and gray pool valve. Because you have two full bathrooms in this, you got two black tank flushes, and you got multiple pool valves. Speaking of the bathroom, you've got entry steps going into the back of the fifth wheel. Shower, toilet, sink, as we showed you inside. The steps are the step above entry steps, adjustable legs, shock assist, so it doesn't kill you lifting it up, but they fold right up into the camper, nice and clean. You got a receiver on the back. You've got 300-pound hitch weight rating. You got to check your states for tow ratings. Weight-wise, it's at 3,000 pounds, but some states don't allow towing behind the fifth wheel, so you have to check into that on your local states. Factory installed ladder. We'll take a look at the roof. All right, up on the roof, you got your 3 air conditioners, your solar panel, top of those slide toppers over your slides, TV antenna, multiple skylights and roof vents. You do have prep for backup camera. Nice outside kitchen. Light cabinetry. You've got the griddle, little storage area, refrigerator. Nice accented glass doors here. You do have a sink and TV hookup out here as well. You got the quick connect for the LP and then the connection for your spare tire to lower that underneath. Tires, we did order these with the Cooper tires. So 17.5 inch, nice upgraded tires there. You got an awning on the outside of the slide out along with outside speakers, as well as another awning in your main patio area. Similar step above entry steps here going into the main door as you have in the back. Other side of your pass-through storage, your 50 amp power cord, your quick connect here will hook to your spray port on this side or the other. Motion sensor lighting, battery disconnect, your dock for your tire link, which is your tire sensor, your monitors, slam latch compartment doors, and the other side that's got your other 30-pound LP bottle. Your brand new 2022 Grand Design Solitude S-Class 3950BH. Remember, if you're coming out to the lot in Yorktown to see this in person, make sure you ask for Scott. All right, as promised, with the slides in, you gotta put this first slide out to be able to get into the refrigerator, but you got full access to get into the bathroom, and then you always have the door in the back that you can open up and get into the kids' bunk area bathroom